Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lean Six Sigma for everyone. Today I am going to talk about Fishbone. Fishbone, also known as Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram. This is a powerful tool used for root cause analysis. Its main objective is to visually represent cause and effect relationship, helping teams systematically identifying underlying causes of problems and areas for improvement. This is extensively used tool for the root causes for brainstorming. Let's look at the different segments part of the fishbone. First, starting with problem statement. Very important that you know the problem statement clearly, you know the pain area, and then you start finding the major categories. You do the brainstorming with the team and try to find the major causes, and then you further try to drill down and find the branches, main branches or main causes, and then going into sub causes. Then you try to have the relationship between cause and effects, and very important that you put thorough thinking in the entire process. Let's look at how to use a fishbone diagram or how to create a fishbone diagram. First, as we already talked about, you should have the pain area, name the problem. So as you can imagine the fish, right? The fish mouth will be your pain area, will be your problem statement. Then fish will have the major bones, the bigger bones, right? Those will be your major categories. And then you see the smaller bones will be your subcategories. So you try to go as deeper as possible to understand the cause of your problem. You can prioritize the main causes based on your findings, which one you feel is more valued, you focus on that particular piece. Let's look at the benefits of fishbone diagram. The ability to solve problem causes, not just their symptoms. Helps in quick identification of process bottlenecks, promotions of teams problem solving skills growth, the possibility of seeing the relationship between different problems as well as their solutions. Now let's look at very famous 6M method in fishbone. 6M indicates the man, machine, mother nature, measurement, materials, methods. So as you see in this picture, under man comes the human factors, skills, training. So you can pick up any example to understand the fishbone better. Let's say we take productivity issue as a main problem for us. So that is our pain area. So the low productivity is a pain area. Now you try to identify the main causes of the low productivity under this 6M methods. So if you look at under man, you will try to understand, is that human factor is involved? Are the operators, executives are fully trained on the task and roles and responsibilities? Are they have the enough skills? So you will try to look at from the human factor. Then the next one is machine. Then you know then that the solutions, the tools, machine is used in this entire process, is that efficient? If that is up to the mark, is giving the result as supposed to be, or the machine is giving more downtime or more issues, because of that it's impacting the production and it's not human, right? So you try to figure it out under which category you will have major challenges, and you can prioritize it accordingly. Let's say when you are making your fishbone through this 6M method, and maximum causes you get under man, right, compared to other factors, what will happen is your focus should go on to the man. But if you see maximum causes or majority of causes coming under machine, then your focus area will become a machine. So you will try to solve the solutions, you try to understand what's problem with the tool, and then you get into a solution mode. Then comes the mother nature. So you try to understand, is there any environmental factors involved, because of that the productivity is down? Or then you will look at the measurement, is it right measurement, or the measurement KPIs or system dashboard is rightly showing the number or rightly capturing the performance. So each and every segments you try to get into the causes and to solve the problem. Then materials. In materials you try to understand the raw materials, supplies, or whatever part of your process. You try to look at, is that affecting your production, because lack of uniformity or it's a standardness, because of that is impacting the production. You will come to know when you do this brainstorming with the team, and more of the inputs comes from that front. And then the methods, the process, the procedure, the instructions SOP team is following is correct or not correct. So you will come to know whether you are following the right process or not. So this is a very famous 6M method, but there is no hard and fast rule that you have to follow 6M. As per your convenience, you can opt another terms as well, which is more specific, more relevant to your process. Feel free to do so. There is no hard and fast rule that in Lean Six Sigma world that you have to follow this and that. The main objective of Lean Six Sigma is to remove waste and bring efficiency in the process, and by any rightful manner, if you are doing so, there is no boundaries for that, so you can go for it. So another famous method for Fishbone that mostly used after 6M is 6P. So 6P is people, procedures, plan, policies, product, program. So same as 6M, in under 6P you will try to put each segments, you do brainstorming and see which are the major contributors and start working on that one by one. Let me ask you a question, okay? So how will you eat a fish? Okay, in this picture you are looking at a big fish. How you will eat a big fish? Piece by piece, right? If you are vegetarian, please excuse me, it's just for the representation purpose. Okay, so so the method is you eat the fish one by one, right? You will not completely consume it in one go. So that's how you will focus on your process improvement. That's how you focus on priority your problem. You will priority which problem to be focused first, and which priority to be focused first is where you have more meat, which part of the fish you want to eat first, which will have most meat on it, right? So similar way, which problem you want to solve first, which have more waste in it or more, will get you the more value out of it. So you prioritize that one, and then likewise you keep going on the other segments and fix it one by one. So you can use the template of 6M or 6P as I have shown you, and try to take any one of these scenario and gather the inputs, why you think that is happening, right? And that will give you the visibility and further understanding of it. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you. See you soon with another video. Thank you.